So, progress indeed. Not sure if you've seen the golf course since I started posting all the logs that were everywhere, but check it out. So, everything has been picked up. Yes, all the logs. Looks wonderful. We've got them picked up. All on this side, maybe a few at the top that need picked up, but for the most part this is coming together quite nice. As you can see, all the stumps still need to be ground, but the logs are gone. They didn't go far. We got lucky. We just got to throw them all in the woods. So basically it was a gigantic cut and leave. Chip on site. Over 250 trees. If I were to guess, I would say closer to 4. But not too shabby. It always helps when you got 4 loaders. We did over there too. And now we are down on that wood line, removing everything that is 12 inches in diameter and smaller. So, stay tuned.